Yes.
What to expect.
Huh?
What to expect.
Yes.
So currently, this is what you're doing. This is the Bomas.
Yes.
The phase 1.
Yes.
And now here, this is Langata Road.
Yes.
We have a parking over that side. We have a Bomas here. This is a pedestrian.
Yes.
So presidential villas. And now this is affordable, high-end.
And then where are the hotels?
The hotels here. We have this one here, this one here, and this one.
Okay.
There are 3.
Okay.
So behind there is what we expect the outcome later.
Ile.
The corridors. Now this is the outside. The final product will be this. You can see it's taking shape.
It's taking shape.
It's taking shape.
Mzuri. Sawa. Sawa. Hii itakuwa noma sana.
Kabisa. Hii ikisha, in fact as of now, we are having people coming to book as ahead as 2029. Every time wanasema
bookings.
Bookings. Wameanza kubook.
Habari.
So one of the hotels imeanza excavation.
Oh, unaanza?
Yes.
Hapa?
For here is the road. Iko karibu na barabara.
Okay. Habari?
So here we have a model. As of now, to employ around 3,000.
Yes.
And the number keeps increasing.
Yes.
Furahia kazi sana sa. Vijana wanafurahia kazi.
Wanapambana
na kazi.
Yes.
So this is the 3D model. Yes, sir. Simama on this side. So now this is the Langata Road. On the KWS side, we have this parking, around 1,500 vehicles. Then now when people park this side, we have these ramps. So this is not for cars, it's just for pedestrians. So once they
and then we did the animal sanctuary here.
Yes, we are doing a new animal orphanage on this side.
Animal orphanage.
Yes, so that when people come here, they can be able to visit the orphanage. So now you enter there, you go straight to the convention center. So on this side you have the cultural center. This is for later for phase 2. We have this hotel. Now this one we have done excavation for now. For the mall, they have done the studies, are waiting now to start. For the others are pending.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Hii pia ni hoteli?
Ile ni hoteli. And presidential suite also.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Tutaingia kidogo sasa.
Yeah.
You see what we have been doing.
Nende huko.
Entrance.
Oh, so
for the vehicle. So here you saw we have done some excavation. Vehicles we are building a road up to this level. Yes.
Okay. Very good.
I know since the last time you came, you have seen a lot of changes.
Changed. It has changed. Very significantly. Bari wados. Mambo?
Niko salama.
Mwanangana? Naona iko wheelbarrow. Ile ya mguu kubwa.
Ile 10 bila breki.
Wheelbarrow iko na kazi hapa?
Kuna kazi zaidi. Ila haiwezi kuwa mboga. Ila haiwezi kuwa mboga.
Okay, haya. Mambo? Bas, mungangane. Kabisa. Adi? Tuendelee na kupanga ingine.
Tunaajiri vijana wengi zaidi.
Sawa. Haya, nimekuja kuangalia kazi yenu. Asante. Okay, gentlemen. Mambo?
As you can see, concrete works we are at 90%.
Yes.
That was the main challenge. So kuna kazi nyingine ingefanyika as
The wet works.
Yes, yes. So now we are already doing the partitioning.
Yes.
So now we are doing concurrent works.
Habari zenu?